remove one of the battery.
And you see this light, the heater light, the one button below the heater. So keep pressing that for a few seconds and then keep pressing that. Let's see if this light flashes. So keep in.
Let me put the battery back into the thermostat. Turn it around. And then let's switch this on. Okay, so it says welcome boot and it's such. So now the light changed to green, and then here it says turn the dial. Okay, so now let me set the temperature. It says the current is an actual temperature. Let me set it to 19. I think we're done.